In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Discord server. To get started, open Discord and go to the server you want to copy. Once you're inside that server, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the server's name. This opens a drop-down menu where you'll find several server-related options. From that menu, select Server Settings. This is where Discord gives you access to the main configuration tools for that specific server. After the settings page opens, look over to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Server Template, then click on it. Server templates are useful because they let you create a reusable version of your server's structure, which is what makes copying a server possible in a simple and organized way. When you're on the server template page, you'll be asked to enter a template name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, like a backup name for your server. You can also add a description if you want. The description is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to remember what this template is for later, especially if you create more than one. Once that information is filled in, click the Generate Template button. Discord will then create a template based on your server setup. After the template has been generated, you'll see an option to copy the template link. Click Copy to place the generated template URL onto your clipboard. At that point, the server template link is ready to use. You can save it somewhere safe or use it to create a new server with the same structure. Just keep in mind that a server template copies the layout and channels, not every piece of server data. And that's how to copy a Discord server using Discord's built-in template feature.